Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Heavy snow and high winds bring treacherous travel conditions over United Kingdom. Heavy snow overnight has brought treacherous conditions to the parts of the United Kingdom, with motorists in affected areas warned to only travel if essential. 3 amber warnings are in place for the peak districts, Pennines, North Wales and parts of the Northern Ireland until Friday afternoon. Some areas may see 50 mph winds and 40 centimeters of the snow as blizzards cause significant disruptions. Heavy snow has caused long delays on the M62 trans-Pennine motorway. Drivers reported stationary traffic on the eastbound carriageway between Rochdale in Greater Manchester and Huddersfield in the West Yorkshire. National Highway officials said 2 lanes had been closed between junction 20 and 22, causing around 6 miles of congestion. Dozens of the Twitter users described spending hours stuck in the standstill traffic early on the Friday morning. A severe weather warning from the National Highways remains in place across the Northeast Midlands and Northwest until 8 GMT on Friday. Temperatures overnight were expected to match Wednesday's, the coldest of the year so far, before falling further on Friday night. Met Office meteorologists said that in places covered by the amber warnings, there would be very difficult, treacherous conditions. BBC weather forecasters said blizzard-like conditions could occur later on Friday as east to northeasterly winds strengthen, particularly over the high grounds. This could of course make travel more difficult, with the snow piling up more in some areas. The winter weather has been named Storm Larissa by the French Weather Service. Hundreds of the schools across the United Kingdom had to close because of the conditions on Thursday. Forecasters say there could be further sleet and snow at the weekend, and yellow warnings are in place for the northern England and Scotland until Sunday morning. Similarly, warnings covering southern England, Northern Ireland and most northerly areas of the Scotland are due to the end. Milder air is forecast for Sunday into Monday, when a thaw will begin and conditions will start to improve. Amber weather warnings are issued when there is more chance of severe weather potentially causing disruption to everyday life. People travelling on Thursday evening were warned to expect delays on both rail and road, with Travels South Yorkshire saying public transport was severely disrupted across the region. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.